Now it's recording.
So we're recording?
Yeah.
We're recording?
Yeah.
Take it down to the bone.
Alright guys, for those of you that don't know, today is my birthday. Yay, happy birthday! Woo! Yep. So got the cuzzy Ryan down here. He's gonna help me out picking up some things from Woolies, countdown, shit like that, and then we're gonna set up the factory for the chaos to unfold tonight. So yeah, really exciting guys. We'll get to it. Got a lot of stuff to set up down at the shop, so we'll get that sorted as soon as we get back. Some tomatoes, get a cucumber, son. Yeah. Cheers, cuzzy. Okay, read capsicum. One of those. Nah, don't worry about a bag. We'll be right. No bags, eh? Bad for the environment. We're not gonna do that. What else do we need? Next on the list, guys.
Bread probably the next one, bro.
Alright. Who's this guy? I'm not too sure exactly what that thing is, but
It's there, I think.
that was the basic. Did you see that thing? What even was that?
You got such a fright, cunt.
Oh, it's probably chucked in your one. I got buns.
Nice?
I got buns. Just need a bread. It's about there, eh, cuz?
Yeah, just enough.
Yeah, boys. Got heaps of meat, heaps of chips, heaps of crackers, nice cheese boards to be chucked on. That's everything on our list, eh?
Thank you.
Alright, guys, check it out. Bit of a setup going on out here now. Not bad, not bad. Got the gazebo up. Got old mate chilling. So yeah, we just got to put the fabric down on the beer pong table and yeah, get to it. All right, we're fucking good to go, guys. Just waiting for the boys to turn up now. It's got some shisha coals on the barbie, so we can have a shisha. Hey, what do you reckon, cuz?
Oh, fuck.
Alright. What a setup. The mighty hatches. Yeah, the boys. Parked up. Looking snazzy. Getting the hard park going. We got the ute. Two hot hatches. Yeah, the boys. Sup, cuz?
Habibi!
Hey! Yeah, the boys.
Oh yes, they got.
Yeah, the fucking boys. Go reversing, but yeah, you gotta reverse it. I'll tell you how far I can come back. Do you want me to do it?
Fuck off, you do it.
Bro, I'll do it.
Nah, I'll show you how it's done.
Oh, show it.
Nah, watch.
Go full lock left. Full lock left.
Yeah, hang on. Do you want me to skid it in or?
Nah. Just reverse it. Want me to skid it in?
Have you ever seen that movie Driving Miss Daisy?
Nah.
No, oh, you should look at it.
Yeah?
Yeah, you remind me of that guy.
Yeah, full lock. Straighten up. Full lock. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep coming, keep going. A little bit more. Whoa. Kaze. What's happening, bro? Cheers, brother. You the fucking boys. Cheers, cuz.
Alright. You count.
3, 2, 1. Open up the gate. There's the boys. Here the boys.
I'm not joking, look behind me.
What?
I got a trail of water.
Oh, what's going on, bro?
About.
What's up, bro?
Where can I pull up?
Yeah, the boys.
For a second,
I mean, there's cups for water. You got that cranberry juice too. I think it's just a
Oh yeah?
Not bad. Bro, look at the salad. I made a mean salad. I've got lamb skewers in there. I got potato salad.
No, you fucking gotta press it! Yeah, no, you handed it over to me, what do you mean? Fucking hell!
Oh fuck!
Get the fuck out of here.
That would have been so smart. Like crazy.
Oh,
We got so many missed shots.
No, he wasn't recording half the game.
Yo, what's the... They'll come out next day as well, okay?
Here the fucking boys. It's going down. It's going down.
It does. He can't get launch control to work properly though.
Gonna take some photos, cuz. Here the boys. Here the boys.
253. How the fuck does he... On the... You gotta get the...
At the wheel.
Not bad. Not bad.
Good size.
What you got, bro? What you got? No oil here. If you want, I can go get some from across the road.
That's true.
I'm just gonna take a walk.
Right now.
I was here like a year, and like I wasn't even trying to dress.
You the fucking
I lost my
boys.
license 11 times, cuz.
Grab it.
Huh?
Grab it.
No, I said again? Yeah, it was like rice patties and shit.
I went to KFC. It was the fucking worst.
Hey, where's my cat? Cheers, boys.
Cheers, bro. You go Cheers,
Never
bruv.
above you, never below you, always beside you, because we're one step ahead.
Cheers, bruv.
Hey, give me the double, give me the 3-set. Yeah, we love it, we love it.
My vodka.
What are you mixing it with? I can't.
Cranberry, but I'm like,
I
I'm
just took a
like,
puff. I just took a puff, bro.
Yeah, I'll stop ya.
okay, well, let's go. Come on. Finish your singing, let's go.
Where we going?
No. We're going to the bottle shop and Max driving.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to the toilet.
If I change, if I
If you want something
give me your
awesome,
thing, can you guys?
careful.
I'm changing.
I was gonna buy one today.
$3.50.
I was gonna
Amazon, bro.
I was literally gonna buy one.
Sipping the red and I'm killing with dinner, but tether, spilling the beam and my bullets are filling. I'm coming in hard, standing the slaw, stopped at the spot with a couple of days off when we open up shop. New could flow in and in the control, mix it together, defense of the plot. Had it forever, I'm not gonna stop waiting. Spin the river, I'm up in the box. Ripping the prism, I poked at the eye. I fall vice, but I'm not gonna lie, so I told him, hey, go get it, add and put it in a vice. B, mix it with Chardonnay, hold it in my eyes. Tuck it and drink, don't white G. Call the car, down the jump in the fence and the run and the run down. Be the one that was scared of change. Wake up every day, I was aiming to blame. Came in the lane, but I mean, I was kicked in it. Fuck that. Shout out to Nate. Happy birthday, motherfucker.
Yeah, boy.
Get a
Happy
boy.
birthday, cunt. Yeah, boy.
Happy birthday tonight. yeah. You gotta cheers it. You gotta cheers it. You gotta cheers it.
does anyone else want anything?
Give me the fucking code again. What is it?
Never above you.
Never above you.
Never below you.
Never below you.
Always beside you, lad.
Always
Because we're
beside
one step ahead.
Because we're one step ahead. All right. Never above you. Never below you. Always.
And you
beside
always
never
have to
one
give
step
eye
ahead.
contact.
Love it. Love it.
Ready to fry a set? Got those fresh cuts happening. If you want fresh cuts, go to MAAAAADDDDDD, Elwood, yeah? Got those fresh haircuts happening. Fresh cuts. Fresh cuts. Break one the chef. Oh yeah, mate. Gordon Ramsay. Gordon Ramsay. That technique with that turn.
Hey, this is gonna change your life, all right? This is gonna change your life.
That turn technique. Only a very good chef can turn like that.
That's it.
Where's your toilet, lad?
Come through.
How do I stop
It always
this?
was my story. Like, I got
Gotta get that.
And I was like, oh. It's back in India though. It's an open.
Wolf blast.
He used to be my neighbor and he used to be my
That's what garlic can do. Garlic can help.
Chuck the
Weed is real easy to get a hold of. On top.
Like for example, that. Just
chuck the seeds. Make the bitches coming.
You like time? Is that time?
this is fucking Mickey Mouse shit. You need actually fucking marinade put on top, you know?
Oh, bro, I got marinade sauce in my cupboard. Why didn't anybody fucking tell me?
Oh, mate, should have. Oh, bro, you got marinade sauce?
Nah, bro. Let's go. It's on a budget, eh, boys?
Yeah, the boys. Is this waterproof?
Yeah, fucking
Oh, okay, cool. I was gonna say it's raining, lad.
Get the salads in there, boys.
Yeah. We're going hard tonight. We got the salads. We got the other salads. We got that classic cranberry, ocean spray. Gonna pump the Fleetwood Mac tonight.
3, 2, 1.
If it drops, I got it on camera.
Oh!
Rocky start.
Fucking hell.
Even though might have to rocky start, I'll still have a rocky finish. Might have to cut my commentary and play just music over it. I think that's an F line, but yeah, leave me alone.
Does anyone else want anything from the photo shoot?
So we're recording now, yeah, Nate? Nate, we're recording?
Yeah, boys!
Alright, we're recording.
Where's this petrol station?
I don't know. Oh no, I'm gonna call him. Hold on. Yeah. Keep driving.
I'm out.
Yeah. Go into this driveway. Oh no, don't go in it. Stay. Go.
Still make it double on when I spin. That's 550 2018. Gotta come 20 if you hopping in the Benz. Yeah, turn it from the D to the A. I'm rocking with the Lions. Yeah, I'm rocking with the Braves. Yeah, we pay. Yeah, we pay.
Yeah, stay here. Hold on. Shut the fuck up! Hey, Kat.
Trent, out, shit, out.
Kat. Hey, we ran out of petrol, eh? Hold on one sec. 98 or ethanol?
98.
98. Tell him just 5 liters. Alright.
We'll come back with it, okay?
Just 5 liters. Sorry, the car's broken down. Can you just go around, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's great. We're gonna get.
The car broke down. Yeah, I'm telling everyone go around. Kat, you there?
Right.
Sorry, the car broke down. Can you go around? We have an ignition issue.
Down.
Yes, please, sorry. Sorry, buddy. Keep going. Yeah, Kat, you there?
Yeah, move the car away.
We can't move it.
Let's crack up. Okay, we'll go to the petrol station right now.
Alright, it's fine. Alright, bye.
Okay, bye.
Get a jerry can. Let's go around it. Yeah, they're going to go get some. They're gonna go get a jerry can on 98.
Oh, yeah, sweet. You can give us a push this into here?
Yeah, we can try it. Hold on. Put that up.
Yeah. Ah, okay, don't worry.
The tire's on the fucking corner.
Oh, fuck.
But turn it to the right.
Roll over, check my phone with a party at what time, what stage. Gotta get ready, got a brand new outfit for them, this one's heavy. In the whip, I'm changing station, one hand holding the steering steady. Jump up, gang, link up with the crew, gotta get AAA wristbands. Got plastic bottles and vodka, only the way we understand. What's the plan? Get it in if you can't live a drink it now, my man. No panic and no, it's gonna be fun, trust me, it's gonna be rammed. So, if you want to rewind, somebody say
No!
West, south and
Go!
Big dogs run the show, K9, let them know. Some fingers in the air, but your mouth like K9, let them know. Some fingers like
Go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. No, you didn't do it right.
You didn't even eat the cake!
That's how you smash the cake on the
Ryan! I got cake on me!
He's a fucking cake face, the cunt.
Cake face! Hey! In Jamaica,